G37 Charger, the Crown Vic, and then a stock ass G37 right there. That's my shit. Facts.
They play monkey in the middle. Ask about face, they gon' tell you that he keep it with them. Let you niggas press up, they gon' end up bunkies in the spittle. Yeah. Tonight I need to find some fine shit because it's been a minute. I come outside, straight dog shit, ain't no spending limit. Let me pull this line real quick before I'm in my feelings. 116 block, that's what we made of. Glock like the one bugs, they catch you while you laid up. Blowing dog shit, cause when I die, bro, I can't say nothing. When I rap, I don't like the back, yo, shit be made up.
You brought the money, caught her for the times we feel like counting. All black truck with the stars in the hose bunched up, a lot of sticks.
know I'm stabbing. When you slide the corner, no brakes, all gas. so far, this bitch the fast. Hopped out, searched the whip, my nigga dead, found some glass. Look in the back, we found the blick on the floor. Until the seal, we found the tracker, nigga, they don't need to know. Riding 10 strikers deep, all my niggas tab and go. Asking how I backed up, boy, you know who dropped the low. Complain about that little striker, Rio put it on the floor. Tell him drop another low, I guarantee you I score. We be riding DB, but not down Bosco. Tried to hit the powerhouse, we seen the cat at Costco. You better not hit the block round, 223 stop those. Like I told you once before, I'm in love with that corner, all you heard was the pack. Told him it was that, seen him got the blue and out the scat. He thought I ain't come prepared, pussy, I don't know.